Fun because it's my first time and they're very helpful, although I lack coordination, so it's kind of hard at the beginning. But I know eventually I can do it then.
Sa simula, kasi may coordination na kailangan sa paa, sa kamay. Pero once na nakuha mo na yung technique, madali naman.
Clothing in general is really my passion, and learning on how it was made from the past and making the outcome as how it looks here. So it's really inspiring. I was just really drawn to it. I was like went inside and asked what it's about. How do you make it? Because I know of the brand as well, so I was wondering if it's made through that machine. And it was really cool that I got to try it out. So I'll try to bring my friend. If she's not busy, then maybe we can join the workshop together.